Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. And today we're going to talk about making New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. I like to use red onions for this. Um, they have like a strong flavor to them, and they really seem to work well with like seafood. You know, what, basically just cut off the ends. You want to go on the sides. Make sure you get this label on. Just get rid of that. Go ahead and discard all this stuff. And we're going to julienne it. Some of the tricks that some of my chefs have always taught me is you want to kind of put notches in these sides, because when you try to cut it, it's not going to work out well for you. So if you do it like that, and I like to knock it down. About a half onion on this, because we're using like about 20 shrimp, so that's kind of a harder edge right there. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. But that's basically what you're looking for right there. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, it's not going to take that long for it to cook through. The thicker the onion is, longer it's going to take. You know, it's not going to be that good. That's all we're going to use, about a half onion. You can use all kinds of onions, you know, like Vidalia, they're sweeter. But on this, I just prefer to use like red onion. You can also use, you know, yellow, whatever. It's at your own discretion. You know, it's kind of a forgiving dish. But that's it. About a half onion.